This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to boost your Vrbo listing. If you've been wondering how to improve your property's visibility on Vrbo, you've come to the right place. Starting this year, Vrbo has shifted its focus to evaluating each listing individually rather than assessing the host as a whole. This means that your specific listing needs to meet certain criteria to achieve the automatic search position boost. Let's dive into these metrics and what you can do to meet them. First up is the acceptance rate. To qualify for the boost, your acceptance rate needs to be at least 99%. Essentially, you'll want to use Instant Book to ensure that your acceptance rate remains high. Instant Book can be a game changer as it allows guests to book your property immediately without waiting for approval, making the booking process smoother and more attractive to potential guests. By enabling Instant Book, you not only increase your acceptance rate but also enhance the overall guest experience. Next, let's talk about cancellations. Vrbo is quite strict here. They require 0% owner initiated cancellations. This means that once a guest books your property, you need to honor that reservation. Canceling on guests can significantly affect your listing's performance and reputation. To prevent cancellations, ensure your calendar is always up to date and accurately reflects your property's availability. Clear communication with potential guests before they book can also help set the right expectations and avoid any misunderstandings that might lead to cancellations. Another crucial factor is your review rating. Vrbo expects an average of at least 4.6 stars for your listing. Achieving and maintaining a high review rating involves consistently providing exceptional service and maintaining your property to high standards. Consider asking satisfied guests to leave positive reviews. Often, a simple reminder at the end of their stay can encourage them to share their feedback. Remember, reviews are not just about the physical space, but also about the experience you provide, so focus on creating memorable moments for your guests. Activity is also a key metric. To meet Vrbo's standards, your listing should have at least 5 bookings or 60 booked nights per year. If you're finding it challenging to reach these numbers, consider revisiting your pricing strategy or offering special promotions during off-peak seasons to attract more bookings. Engaging with guests promptly and optimizing your listing description and photos can also make your property more appealing. Finally, Vrbo conducts quarterly audits to evaluate listings. These audits occur on February 1st, May 1st, August 1st, and November 1st. It's important to keep track of these dates and ensure that your listing consistently meets all the necessary criteria by each audit. Staying proactive and regularly reviewing your listing's performance can help you address any potential issues before they impact your search position. By focusing on these metrics and making continuous improvements, you can significantly enhance your listing's visibility on Vrbo. Meeting these criteria not only boosts your position in search results, but also increases your chances of attracting more bookings, ultimately leading to greater success as a host. So take a moment to assess your listing today and implement these strategies to see a real difference. Happy hosting!